Today I do a Batty Bat Doodle. Welcome to the Charlie Doodle experiment. So just so we're on the same page, Batty Bat's just something I made up. If it's something real or trademarked, I have no idea. I just had to name it something. I didn't know what to name it. I've already have a Bat Boy video, so that was already off the list. But this one actually started off in as a quick doodle in a notepad, and I didn't have the notepad on me, so I had to recreate it again, which they both look totally different now from when you compare them. But I think this one came out a little bit better because, well, this one's in color, the other one was in pencil, and which, that's how things start. You doodle up something somewhere on a notepad or a post-it note or a sticky note or whatever you call them, and you're like, hey, I really like how this turned out. Maybe I can turn this into something more, I hate saying legit, but more, I guess, a more finished product. How's that? Okay, so this one, bats obviously are purple, and gave him some fuzzy fuzz on him. I gave him the red Chuck Taylors. I don't know what's going on. I've already done a couple of drawings with red Chuck Taylors, but purple, lime green background, perfect combination. That's it. I hope you like it. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you around. Thanks.